The driving mechanism here has two opposing springs. There's a spring underneath the cone here, we'll see in a minute. And there's a spring in this hollow axle. The spring drives against this keeper pin that pushes against the carriage. Normally, we would not recommend removing the spring. If it's extremely dirty in here, it can be removed. It's very difficult to get back in. Again, this is not recommended. We'll show you the procedure. We're going to remove the screw. Place your fingers over the top directly and press down with the screwdriver. The spring is going to shoot out the top cap with force. There goes the screw, and there is the spring. Having retrieved the keeper screw from the floor, make sure it enters the parts bin. You can now remove the assembly from the axle vise. Inside is a pin, double studded. One stud goes into the spring. The other stud will go into our keeper pin. And there is the keeper pin. And a washer and the opposing spring. So when we're saying there's two springs opposing, one pushes the carriage up into the pawls, one drives it away. It's controlled again by the adjusting screw on the drive side or cog side.